clean your rotors, do some carb cleaner, brake cleaner, and then get off. There's always like a coating on it. So we're gonna go ahead, grab this rotor. And slap her back into its place. She's not one. She's not cooperating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait a minute. So we gotta put the old rotors on because those other brakes didn't work. And when changing the brakes, you're gonna put a little bit of grease on the ears. Never on the back. Right here. And then you can even put some on these little parts here where the metal is going to slide in there. Just like that. Let me go ahead, and then this is going to squeeze inside of the caliper hole. Sometimes I have to kind of squeeze those tabs in. Shoot. And there it goes. Little tab. Just like that. Boom.